I know that we have been killing it on SEO these days. Can you just
Yes.
throw some numbers first, and then we will talk about what we
Okay.
have been doing?
So we have launched actually three products. That is, one is biodata, one is horoscope, and other one is Kundli matching.
Right.
So biodata was launched in the month of May, and till now we have got nearly 2.5 lakh of sessions from that particular page.
Correct.
And week on week it has been increasing. So you can say that weekly nearly 10,000 biodatas are downloading from our site.
Correct.
And coming to horoscope, so horoscope also is doing well, and we are actually ranking on the first page for pretty much all the keywords.
Right.
And Kundli matching, again, Kundli matching is that where you match your Kundli with your better half, right? So that is also doing very well. So combination of these all three products, so we are getting almost, you can say that 60 to 65% of the sessions on our site.
Correct.
So these three are kind of major driving sessions for our
Correct.
website.
Correct. Correct. Did you ever, like, I still remember when we were jamming for ideas and what tools to build and everything?
Yes, yes.
Did you ever thought ki, okay, this is, if I have to think from, okay, blog based growth versus tool based growth, did you ever think ki, okay, this will beat blog based and it will just kill it in short span?
No, I don't think so that it will kill it. But again, because blog will also be there to help these products to grow. Because see,
Right.
if we build any product or any tool on the site, right? So you need to have few kind of blog sessions or content regarding that particular tool
Correct.
to promote that thing,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So here also the same thing. So we have built few blogs for Kundli matching and also for the horoscope and all. So which helps to boost these rankings and all.
Correct. Correct. So I know the in-house process of
Yes,
how
yes.
do we crack this.
Yes.
If you have to visualize in a very simple, easy process from ideation to selection of which tool we should be building on website to crack SEO, can you just simplify the whole process?
See, it's
Like what is step one, step two, step three if a
yeah.
new
So
brand is
step
coming
one is that you have to think that what all the tools or what all the products your users are looking for. Like kind of we are in the wedding business now, right?
Correct.
So in the wedding you will be obviously having like kind of Kundli, and also you'll be having Kundli matching, and also there are few because we live in India, and also only 31 million people are on the dating platform, but
Right.
the population of India is huge.
Right.
So
How do you get this
60%.
insight?
So
If let's say there is no competitor who has built a tool, hence there is no reference point of me getting an idea.
yes, yes.
How do I get this idea?
So this idea is generally by working on that particular domain or niche, and
For
to
a longer
find out, yeah, to find out that what are actually the customers are looking for.
Correct.
So for example, wedding business, right? So in the wedding business, if I need to get married, so what I'll be doing? I'll be doing creating one profile. So that is comes the biodata over there.
Correct.
Again, I'll see that, okay, if I found one girl, so how can I match my Kundli with her? So again, Kundli matching comes in the place. So like that, you have to think and you have to research more in that
Correct. Correct.
space. So then only we'll get to know that list of tools or list of products we want to build. So that helps a lot.
Got it. So which means ki, okay, if a person has less clue about consumer insight and has the consumer behave, it is not, you will not be able to easily crack
Yes,
it.
yes.
So one, okay, let's say your lead or whosoever was building it got the idea. Now how do I prioritize which idea I should be selecting?
See, first thing will be that which is easy to build,
Okay.
which
One.
doesn't require much of the tech effort and all.
Okay.
So that should be taken at top, because see, because we are in the SEO field, right? So very less tech dependency helps us to build the product faster.
Correct. Which means
So-
either you should be using no code or someone else
Yes,
should be there
yes,
in a team
yes,
who knows
yes,
no code.
yes, true.
Okay. So one is you said that, okay, internal capabilities will decide what is the prioritization.
yes.
Anything else?
And also, I majorly look out for the search volumes of that particular keyword or that particular product. If the search volume is decent, we can work on that, or else we can just skip it.
What is a decent search volume according
Decent search volume, it depends. I mean, it depends niche to niche. So for us, biodata. So biodata for there is also many terms, like biodata is also used for the term where users are searching for job. So that particular resume or that particular CV is also called as a biodata.
Correct.
But we are into marriage business, so we are searching for the keywords like marriage biodata or marriage biodata format. So these kind of are the keywords that we are focused on. So generally the keywords or the search volume for these keywords, generic ones is too high. So when we add on our particular niche in that, like kind of marriage biodata, so that search volume comes down.
Correct.
And if you focus more on that particular thing, it's easy to rank in this domain.
Got it. Got it. I think I have my last question. The reason I'm saying last because these things. I mean, I still get it. कि okay, ठीक है. These are the processes that you can think about and everything. One thing I was thinking lately is this intuition. One, कि क्या build करना है. How? Because then there are multiple stakeholders involved.
Yes, yes.
It is not that okay I thought कि I'll be building this tool and you just did that. You have to take certain permissions or something.
True.
Unless and until you are a rogue company
true.
where you are getting all of the free hand and everything. So what do I mean is, out of 100 SEO experts in the market, how many do you think have that intuition? One. Second, how do you build this? Do you think this is a skill? This is an intuition that can be built? I mean, I get it. It's a growth mindset actually. If I can say it, it's a growth manager or a growth product manager, whoever it is. ये उनका काम है because they can think of these intuitions. Do you think these skills can be trained? One. Second is, in your experience, out of the SEO people out there, how many people have you seen generally have it? If not, then how do you?
I think so. If you check out the SEO experts that we have, I think so top 5% of them who have really good experience in startups and building the product, right? So those guys can only think about these products and
because
all.
this is a product manager role
yes,
also, right?
yes. So this can't be taught.
Correct.
Kind of thing. So this has to be come with the experience. So if you have experience in building products and you are the person who can solve the customer's query and drive that particular product, then I think so that guy is a good to go guy.